Well, good evening. Have you ever given consideration to moving into a shed? Leaving your beautiful home and moving into a shed? Well, that's what I did. My name's Jim. Thanks for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. Well, I had an absolutely gorgeous home. I had 4 bedrooms, a nice rec room, living room, a double car attached garage, in town. It was an absolutely beautiful home. I had a 10 by 10 shed out in the backyard, and I had a 12 by 20 workshop in the backyard. Had a greenhouse, a pond, gardens, grapevines. I had everything. But I decided to sell it and move into a shed. Who'd have thought? And that's what I did. I bought 27 acres in an unorganized township, and I moved into a shed. No, not this shed. This shed would not do it for me. I have to have a better shed than this. So I decided I wasn't going to build a house. I was going to move into a shed. If you look on the map, you'll see that there's certain parts of Ontario that are unorganized. And when you move into an unorganized township, the rules are a lot different than in the city. You still have to follow building code, but you don't have to get permits. And you can put more than one house on a property if you like. There's just so many advantages to living off-grid. Taxes are lower. So that's what I did. So what do I have for a shed? The one that you just saw wasn't going to do it for me. So what I did is I went online. Old Hickory Sheds. They're not sponsoring me in this video at all, but I'm so impressed with their product that I would just like to share that with you. Old Hickory Sheds is a franchise. They're in Canada and they're in the States. And what you do is you go online and you design your shed. You can have 2x4 walls, you can have 2x6 walls, you can have a thicker floor. You put your windows wherever you like, you put your doors wherever you like. I went from 24-inch centers to 16-inch centers. And basically you just design the whole thing online and then they deliver it. Now it's pretty impressive how they build these things. Where I bought it from, they have a huge warehouse. And inside this warehouse, they build these buildings. They have a lot of stock. So you can actually go and pick what you want and they'll deliver it. Or you can do as I did, go online. You can have a front porch, a side porch, a dormer. You can design a garage, animal shelters, a wood drying shed, You pick whether you want a metal roof or you want shingles, what color you want the building to be. I mean, there's just so many options. In the brochure and online as well, you can see, you can, you start designing it, and all of a sudden you say, okay, I want a window here. You click to have a window there, and then you can see the price. You want to remove the window, the price leaves. You just design the whole entire thing online. Again, it's called Old Hickory Sheds. They're all over the place. Wonderful, wonderful company to work with. You can rent them and pay by the month, or you can buy it outright. Apparently, according to this flyer, they don't even do credit checks. So I don't know. I bought mine, but you can rent to own, or you can rent them, or you can buy them. So that's what I chose to do. And so they built it, then they delivered it, and then I went and I did the finishing touches myself, wired it, insulated it. So yes, I live in a shed. It's totally legal because, again, unorganized township. Take a look again at the map. You'll see where these spots are in Ontario. I don't think there's too many places in Canada, but in Ontario there is. Now, there might be some in some other provinces. You can correct me if you know. But building restrictions are really relaxed. You still have to build to code, but there's no inspections. So you can get away with a little bit more, but you want to build it to code for your own safety. So yes, I moved out of the city and I moved into a shed. Yes, I'm very, very pleased. Very, very pleased with my shed, my house, and so is my wife and my cat, Clara. And, you know, I've got everything you have in the city. I've got a wood stove. I've got heat. I got electricity. I've got water. I don't have any neighbors. Cost of living is a lot cheaper out here. If you're looking to save some money, save on your cost of living, consider buying a piece of property in an unorganized township. That's what I did. And I don't have any regrets. Anyways, thank you for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. And hope to talk to you in the next video. Talk to you later.